Sonic 3 and Knuckles. I like this game a lot. It's a very fun Sonic game that anyone can enjoy. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 2 playthroughs of the game. One is Sonic and one is Knuckles. The one as Knuckles is different than Sonic's, and I'm not gonna show up a Tails Let's Play because, well, Tails' Let's Play is the exact same as Sonic's, but I will show off how Tails plays out. And this scene right here does not make sense. How in the hell are you able to knock the Super out of Super Sonic? I mean, Knuckles is clearly not in his super form, so how did he do it? Anyways, I'm gonna be showing off the 7 pieces locations of the 7 chaos well, the special stages you get. And for this one, I'm gonna try and do a perfect and show you what that's like. For the rest of them, I will not. Because they get much harder and harder. So, this is the special stage, and I'm not a huge fan of these special stages. I will admit that I like how they're designed, but I don't like the where it gets faster and faster. It makes things way too difficult. And I'm probably gonna get some hatred for that, because I know, it's the point, that's the point, you're supposed to have a challenge, but I don't want games to get faster and faster. I just want games to stay in the same pace, so that way it's not too hard. Also, collecting 50 rings in a special stage, allows you to get, and it allows, you to continue, and getting every single ring in the special stage will give you a perfect bonus, in which that's 50,000 points. And when you get 50,000 points, like, you get 50,000, then 100,000, then 115, then 150,000, and so on and so forth, you'll get an extra life for that. And when you get 100 rings within a level, and when you have 100 rings in total in your possession without losing them, in a level, you will get an extra life like that as well. And I will be showing off Super Sonic and Super Knuckles and Super Tails and Hyper Sonic and Hyper Knuckles. Anyways, this guy cannot be defeated, but you can hit him as much times as you want, but it will but that robot will never be or really go to this scrapyard. It will not. I'm trying to do the best Eggman impression with this stuffy nose I have. If you're able to tell from my voice, I'm feeling a bit like crap right now. Anyways, this is special stage number 2, and it's very easy. Just go around all these rings and so, now, I want to go over the basic mechanics of the game right now. When playing as Sonic, there are 3 different shields that you can get as Sonic. Well, I mean, you can get them as Tails and Knuckles, but you're not able to use them to your full potential. The Sonic, when he gets these elements and shields, for the bubble shield, when you jump in the air and then you hold down the jump button, you're able to do some sort of bounce bracelet move like in Sonic and 2. At least that's how I remember. Okay, guys, God. I'm getting screwed up. I don't want to screw up. Also, I may be playing the Steam version, but I am not going to use it. And that's the second chaos number. Anyways, as I was saying, when playing this game, as I said, there's the bubble shield, but also it prevents you from drowning no matter what gun you're playing. That's the main thing. It prevents you from drowning, which is a godsend in any Sonic game. drowning is your number one enemy besides robots. Well, robots, you mean enemies back. That is kind of use proper Sonic terms. And what that was sort of a spin dash. This is a spin dash right here. Just hold down and then press the jump button. But you don't have to hold down the jump button at all. No, you can just, I mean, you don't have to just press it once. You can press it rapidly and faster. Also, if you complete a certain task when defeating a mini-boss, you will actually get a certain item, whether it be rings or a shield. Oh, my throat. Anyways, spin dash. Like that. You just have to spin dash and hold down the down button in order to get to this spin dash. Oh, lag. This game is still very fun. I consider it to be one of my personal favorite Sonic games. Probably put it as my third favorite. Mainly due to the fact that, one, this game has such great music, the gameplay is phenomenal beyond belief, and, its story, it's very simplistic and not too hard to follow. The story of the game is that Dr. Robotnik, after the whole thing with the egg, with the death egg, crashing into the Earth, after Sonic almost nearly destroyed it, but made sure it went offline. Robotnik, sorry, is trying to repower it, and the only way to do so is with the Master Emerald, which is this huge emerald that looks like a Chaos Emerald, but it's just like so big. And it has the ability to neutralize the other Chaos Emeralds. And he needs that energy in order to power the Death Egg. And so he convinces the Guardian of the Master Emerald, Knuckles, that Sonic and Tails are trying to steal the Master Emerald and are like sending these robots on the island, which is where the Master Emerald is. Which is where I'm at right now. I feel like there's one in my throat. It's not fun. So, yeah, that's the whole story. Now back to the game mechanics. There's the second shield. There were two other shields that I picked up earlier. There was the electric shield, which gives Sonic a double jump and allows him to attract rings. And also protects him from certain electricity obstacles. And the fire shield, when you jump in the air, you can do a second, you can press the jump button again, and then you will be able to do this sort of, I'm not sure how to put it, but it's sort of like a dash there. Also, you get protected from fire, and projectiles like these from any shield will actually deflect, but only Sonic is able to utilize those jump parts because Knuckles flies and Tails flies. So yeah. Anyway, fourth special stage, and this is my least favorite in the whole game. Oh my god, this one is a mess. And my nose is a mess. I can just feel the snot in my nose. Ugh. One of the worst things to be with. So, what is it with this, it's a terrible thing to start off with, so, in this game, there are many things that you may notice. Like, if you listen to some of the music tracks closely, you can probably hear that, like, some familiar music from Michael Jackson, in which Michael Jackson actually developed some of the music in this game besides John Senyu. I'm pretty sure that's how it's pronounced. I'm not trying to disgrace his name, but I'm trying to make sure that I pronounce it correctly. But, Jen Senyu is, can I just say it differently this time? But anyways, he, also developed some of the music in this game, and he developed a lot of the tracks in the Sonic games as well. In which I think he does some great tracks in the Sonic games. There are a lot to be enjoyed. And oh my god, how did I screw that up? I just keep screwing up! And that was a purposeful... Also, watch this. Did you see that? Oh my god! I have terrible timing. This is basically sort of a way of getting extra reach if you cannot hit something. It works most of the time. So, I made it! Yes. Now, this is Angel Island, and I really like this. Wait, that bridge is out permanently? Oh my god. There we go. You gotta do that spin dash jump. And you wanna spin dash like this, then hit this, and then fire shield. Which is probably something that you'll need for this fight. And that is the winged fortress up there, I think. I don't know. Hey, winged fortress, you're looking a bit different from before. You thought you were yellow, not green. Well, actually, it's, yeah, I think that, no wait, flying battery, that's the name. Flying battery, that's the one that's in this game. Winged fortress is from Sonic 2. Also, you want to hit him right here, get an extra hit on him, and let the fight begin. And that's it! Using the fire shield protects you from those fire attacks that he has, and you just gotta hit this in order to make sure that you complete the level. And now I shall see you guys in the next episode. See you guys then.